Let's turn to our Get Real India story, and it comes today about two young lives lost after consuming government-supplied cough syrup, now suspected to contain a toxic chemical. What began as isolated tragedies in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan is now snowballing into a major public health scare. Take a look at tonight's ground report from my colleague Sneha Mordani.
First Madhya Pradesh and now Rajasthan. Mysterious deaths of children as young as 5 has shaken up both the states. A 5-year-old child died in Sikar after consuming a cough syrup provided under the state's free medicine scheme. A 3-year-old child in Bharatpur fell seriously ill after taking the same brand of syrup.
भरतपुर और सीकर से शिकायत आई थी कि ये डेक्स्ट्रोमेथोर्फिन सिरप जो है इससे बच्चों को लेने पे परेशानी आई। जांच के लिए सैंपल्स ड्रॉ किए जिसको हमने प्रयोगशाला के अंदर भेज दिए हैं और साथ ही साथ इस दवाई के उपयोग के ऊपर रोक लगा दी गई है।
In Madhya Pradesh, the victim suffered acute kidney failure. Investigations suggest the cough syrups administered to the children contained unsafe levels of diethylene glycol, DEG, a toxic chemical.
4 तारीख से लेके विगत यूँ समझिए कि 26 तारीख तक आपके परासिया क्षेत्र का जो है उसमें से कुल 6 डेथ्स जो है वो रिपोर्ट हुई हैं। उसके अंदर एक सिमिलरिटी पाई गई कि ये जो है कि इनको सबको काज ऑफ डेथ जो है एनोरिया मतलब कि पेशाब का ना बनना और पेशाब का ना होना पाया गया।
The district collector in Madhya Pradesh has imposed a ban on the sale of 2 specific cough syrups. Advisories have been issued for parents, doctors and medical store operators to prevent further casualties.
जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होंगे, अगर इवन मेडिसिन भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है तो जो मेडिकल के बनाने वाले हैं, मेडिसिन के बनाने वाले, उन पर भी ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर उन्होंने सैंपल्स लिए हैं। उनके प्रोटोकॉल के तहत जो भी कार्रवाई होगी वो की जाएगी। अगर किसी डॉक्टर्स या किसी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फाइंडिंग में आएगी तो वो भी देखा जाएगा कि उस पर क्या कार्रवाई करनी है।
So what really is diethylene glycol? DEG is a toxic industry solvent mistakenly substituted for safer diluents like glycerine or propylene glycol in medications, especially in countries with inadequate quality control. Gambia and Indonesia have seen these poisoning incidents as well in the year 2022, where 250 children died from pediatric cough syrups contamination with DEG and ethylene glycol, as reported by the World Health Organization. Uzbekistan saw this incident. 60 children died from DEG contaminated cough syrup, leading to an epidemic of acute kidney injury and death. This incident, a similar one, reported from Haiti in the 1990s as well, and in Panama in the year 2006. Back home in India, between December 2019 and January 2020, 12 children in the Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir died after consuming a diethylene glycol, a DEG tainted cough syrup called Cold Best PC. The government has now ordered a detailed probe. A team of the National Center for Disease Control is collecting samples, water samples as well, to check the drugs also, and these drugs are getting tested from MP and in Rajasthan. The use of the syrup for now has been suspended in both these states. With Bureau Inputs, Sneha Mordani in New Delhi for India Today Television.